In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a trade in TradingView. Let's start by opening tradingview.com in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, you'll land on the charting interface. If you use multiple layouts or watch lists, make sure you're in the workspace where you place the order. This keeps everything consistent so you can see the order right on your chart. Next, head to your chart, pick the symbol and time frame you were trading so the order line appears on the screen. If you don't immediately see your order, try zooming out or panning around the chart. It's also helpful to confirm that order lines are visible. In most layouts, TradingView will show a horizontal line at your specified order price, along with a small label and a tiny X icon. If the order lines still aren't showing, check your chart settings later to ensure orders and positions are set to display on the chart. On the chart, locate the order you want to cancel. This is typically a pending order, like a limit or stop, waiting to be filled. Hover over the order line to see key details such as the ticket, size, and price. When you're sure it's the correct one, click the X on the order line. TradingView will cancel the order, and if you have confirmations enabled, you may see a quick prompt asking you to confirm, go ahead, and approve it. After that, the order line disappears from the chart, and you can verify that it's gone by checking the trading panel at the bottom. The Orders tab will no longer list that order. A quick note on terminology for clarity: clicking the X cancels a pending order before it fills. That's different from closing an already open position, which realizes profit or loss. If you had an active position, you would typically see a close option next to it. Today's walkthrough focuses on canceling the order from the chart using the X, which is what many traders mean by closing an unfilled trade. If you don't see the X, make sure you're connected to your broker or paper trading in the trading panel and that you're in the correct account. Expanding the trading panel can help you confirm what's open. Also, ensure you're on the correct symbol. An order placed on a different ticker won't appear here. That's it. You navigated to TradingView, opened your chart, and cancelled the order directly from the chart line using the X. Keep this flow in mind and you'll be able to quickly manage trades without leaving your chart.